Kanega Nalari News. Idon ban walan sapi, eki kato kanigi kubol badon kam, jonga tayo.
គុំស៊ីបិនតាបានប្រសាជិកមកបាត់ប្រសាណាមយកបាគីខូនចងបា Maniwell ចារិនគុំបាជុលេមកឡោស្នេមអ្នកកស្នីក្លាប់ឡងយកជិងពត់គប់បរំក្រប៉ាំងយកសាមឡាពូលីចងកថាញគីបាប៉ាសផាយក exam SSLC កបាតិបគុំកា Maniwell ចារិន Award for Academic Excellence 2020-2021 Hapo Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mahakurwan Hakan kasni put kub borom yaki kehna Daidan lang ru daki khun jong Maniwell jarin bangkwai hadwar ublay Kakong perlis iem barak kong rosaman iem ba renik tan lingdo menteri kata PCI kong karimai khar kongor deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest Kasil district kinain kai pati kena school ka Samla ka bawan sekmat hakan ka exam SSLC arajar pau ka deka Jesbo Biskom Wanyang naga school Presbyterian SS Malongwir kablayo hadu prapunyo pon khan riu persen barkat ba jong kasem araja arhuai ka bawan sekmat ka deka Daymaya lingdo marchelong naga school Maharam Government Higher Secondary School kablayo hadu kandai pau point lai persen nalor kini ki arngut layor uban perkup burom saki arhui ngut ki Samla jong school baper kadong kathan belapas bah haka exam jongki.
Among the successful candidates under Maharam schemeship in the SSLC examination 2021 conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, Daymaya Lindo Marshilong of Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mokala is conferred the Maniwell Award for Academic Excellence
20. Wings. My mother was a woman who was a woman of prayer. My mother was a woman who was a fantastic homemaker. She made the home. We may not have all the riches of the wealth of the world, but she made a home for us. And so we are so grateful to have godly parents like them. So when we were thinking about my dad, especially those days my mom was still alive, but when we were thinking about my dad, we thought of erecting a monument in memory of him. He was such a great man. A man well known to so many people. A man who was known to be so kind, not only to his family members, but to people, to strangers whom he does not know. So therefore, when we were thinking of, keeping his memory alive, we thought, we'll build a monument for him. But then we thought, what is the use of building a monument? A monument would just be a stone, there in his graveyard. And it would not do anyone any good. Every year we would have to go to that monument or that tombstone, and then, we would have to give it a scrub. We would have to wash it and whitewash it again, and because there'd be a lot of birds droppings on the monuments.
Right my mind, because in this world today, even our own children, they may not remember much to the unseen bank account, but our children, they may remember for life when we have seen bank account, when we have properties, when we have wealth, big wealth. Our children, they will rejoice and they will remember that our parents, our father has put many things, has put wealth, has put properties, and they will rejoice and remember their life. But opposite to the teaching that we get from this great man, that he preferred to have an unseen bank account. And that unseen bank account, it is spiritual life. And that bank account, it is only with God. So my dear friends, we need to remind each one of us in the present world, while we are all thinking only how to earn, only how to have more and more wealth, to have more and more properties in our life, it is best thing to recall and to remember this great teaching, and that is to earn and to have an unseen bank account. An unseen bank account. I think with this message, I want to end here, and once again, I want to wish the awardees all the best in your life, and I wish you will do the best. Don't spare your time. Don't spare your ability to do the best in your life. I wish to see there will be many young students from this area who will qualify to be medical doctors, to be professors, to be engineers, and yes,